Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the Baking Diva, and a welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming on this baking journey with me. What is this? The leprechaun made me do it. Who's the leprechaun? Oh, it's Lucas. Most of you know Lucas, my grandson. Are you going to help me today? Today, we're making, do you remember what we're making? Leprechaun Bark. So easy. I'm sure many of you have seen it, but it's something that you can have your kids or your grandchildren help you make. It's so easy and it comes out so good. But before we get started, do you all know what a leprechaun is? Well,
you should search it up.
Yeah, well, folklore says that a leprechaun is a magical, mystical person who lives in Ireland, gets into a lot of mischief, and protects. What does the leprechaun protect?
His pot of gold.
The pot of gold.
And the cameraman used to live in Ireland.
Well, no, he didn't live in Ireland, but he's Irish, and he visited Ireland, right?
Well, that's good enough.
Okay, so we're going to get started. So the first thing you're going to need is a cookie sheet, which Lucas is going to get me, with a piece of parchment paper over it. Here we go. We're going to put this over here for now. Thank you, Lucas.
If you were watching the live stream, you heard that I hurt my foot.
Okay. And anyway, the next thing you're going to need is a bag of candy melts.
Wait, where are that?
And you can use chocolate candy melts. Okay.
That's the only thing.
Now, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to melt those candy melts in the microwave. What I like to do is, I like to put them on 1 minute, take it out and stir it. Then I put it back in for about another 30 seconds and stir it again. And you might have to put it back in for just a few seconds more. The main thing is you don't want to burn your chocolate, because once you burn it, might as well throw it in the garbage. It's no good. So you like to melt it slowly. So, I already melted the chocolate. Lucas helped me, right?
You have to make it chocolate
like
melts.
That, yeah.
Because we're going to have to put marshmallows in it.
Well, we don't want to tell them yet,
and
right?
The vanilla is going to blend in with the marshmallows.
Very good. So he's saying make it chocolate, don't make it white, because some of the things we're going to put on there would blend in with the white, right? Okay, so bring over the cookie sheet in front of you.
We have something.
And I'm going to do this first part for Lucas, and then he's going to help me do the rest. So the first thing I'm going to do is He wants to lick the spoon. Sure, here you go. Knock yourself out, Lucas. Look at his face. So I'm going to take this chocolate, here, move over a little bit, and I'm going to pour it, just like this, onto my cookie sheet.
That's like chocolate drizzles.
Look at that. Yummy in the tummy, right?
And this is yummy in the tummy, too.
Get all that in there. Now, if you want to make a larger bark, you can melt 2 bags of it, or you can do it more than once.
Is this dark chocolate?
That is like a medium chocolate.
Yay.
Good, right?
I don't like dark chocolate.
Well, you say you don't like dark chocolate, but you really do, because when Grandma makes her chocolate chip cookies and other things, she uses...
That's dark chocolate?
Well, I use semi-sweet chocolate, which is like...
Can I lick that too?
Well, okay. Are you helping or are you licking? Let me put that over.
I'm cleaning it off.
Oh, I see. Okay. Oh.
Ouchie.
All right. So I'm going to take either your spatula or I can use one of these, and I'm going to just smooth this out on my cookie sheet. Just like so. Easy, right?
Yummy.
Makes it nice and smooth. You don't want to make it too thin.
Yummy in my tummy.
Eat your chocolate while I do this. You don't want to make it too thin. You don't want to make it too thick.
I'm going to need a drink after this.
No, I'm sure you are. Now look at that. See that? Isn't that nice? Look at that.
If I have too much chocolate, I have to have a drink.
I know.
The doctor said that.
Okay. If he eats too much chocolate, right? Can I have a nice, drink some water after that? All right.
Iced tea.
Or iced tea, yeah. Okay. So I have that smoothed out. All right. Now, Lucas, you're going to help me with this, and you're too busy licking and making a mess. So you want me to start it? I think you need to help me with these. Okay, the next thing you're going to do, Lucas will have to put his spoon in here. You're going to take these extreme candies. They're the little rainbow candies. Now they come in long strips. I happen to have bought a big bag and Five Below of these little pieces. So you're going to put them onto this chocolate in a random, wait a minute Lucas, let's explain to them first, in a random design. Now you have, wait a minute, you have to work quickly because otherwise this chocolate hardens fast. So just start one over here. I think because we have the small ones, go ahead, instead of the large ones, we're going to put 3 of them together. But if you have the longer strips, just cut it and it's longer. I'm going to start a few over here and you start a few over there. We're just going to match up the colors.
I got some on my hand.
I'll put another one on there. Don't lick your fingers and touch the chocolate. There we go. So first, that's what we're doing. We're putting on there. We're making perfect, Lucas. Now make another one maybe over here. Just at a random design. We're making just like little rainbows on there. This is so easy. Kids have fun making this and so do adults.
I have fun baking with Grandma.
I know you do. And kids have fun, and adults have fun eating it. So we're making a random design with these little rainbow candies. Okay.
I'm making a good
Just
design.
make another one like here.
Look at that design.
I know.
So
Just put one more like here.
I'm matching the ends together.
Oh, I know, but you didn't match your colors together. But
Yeah,
that's okay.
I'm matching the ends.
Oh, all right. Just you do one more here. I'll do one here. Here we go. Okay.
This is extreme sour. Watch.
Yes, they're the extreme. Does Lucas like to bake with me, or does he like to eat while I'm baking? What is it, Lucas? Both? No.
Not sour.
It's not sour? Okay, so as you can see, we did our little random design. I think I'm going to put one more up here, and that should be enough.
This one has chocolate on it. Too bad.
Okay, that's enough. All right. Perfect. All right. So you can move those over to the side. And I'm going to hold this up just to show everybody what we did. We just made a little random design on the chocolate. You see that? All right. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to sprinkle some mini marshmallows on there. Not too many, but we're going to sprinkle. I think I lost my assistant. I think he's become the candy eating machine here.
Trick shot.
Just no trick shot. There, just a few we're putting on because this is starting to harden already, so you can see that. Let's get going before this hardens. No trick shots. All right, that's enough marshmallows. That's good. Look at that. See where it's starting to harden?
It's already hardened right here.
Starting to harden. You got to move fast. Now we're going to put a few green M&Ms on there. This is hardening much faster than I thought it was going to.
Push?
Yeah, push them down a little bit because it is hardening. There you go. So we have our extreme rainbow sour candies. We have our mini marshmallows. And we have green M&Ms. Now, if you can't find green M&Ms, do what I did. I had some left over from Christmas, and I just took the green ones out and left the red ones in there. All right, I think that's good enough. Now, last but not least, you're going to put a few sprinkles on there. I hope that when none of the
I'm doing this.
All right.
I make these.
And if you don't want to put sprinkles on, you just put them on there. You can put like the gold edible sugar. That looks nice on there. Kind of fits in with the, the rainbow.
Can I take this hat off because it's squeezing me?
I guess so.
Yay.
All right. And this is pretty much how you make your bark.
Is yours squeezing you?
No, mine's okay.
Lucky you.
You can use any sprinkles you want. I happen to have these fancy sprinkles that I got from my nieces for my birthday one year. That's enough. Sometimes you can put on there the little gold balls. And I'm going to try to hold this up a little bit so you can see it. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the refrigerator. It won't take long until it hardens. And then we will be back in a few minutes to show you what we do next. Right, Lucas? So don't go away. Hi, we're back. And we have our Leprechaun Bark here. I just took it out of the refrigerator. It didn't have to stay in there that long. I think it was in there maybe a half hour. So I have a dish here. Let me put this over by Lucas. And what you're going to do is you're going to gently break your bark into pieces. So let me just show you.
The beads don't stick because they're the
There you go.
They're the things
And
that...
some of these didn't stick because, like I said, you have
Mine.
you have to work very fast before the chocolate hardens.
So
Once the chocolate hardens, nothing's going to stick to it anymore. So let's what are you doing, Lucas? Here.
I want one.
What? Here, take that. Wait till we're done. Okay. Wait till we're done.
Look at these.
So we're going to break this into pieces.
Extreme sour.
Put it on there.
I missed.
See how nice this breaks into pieces like bark? There you go. You can break them in as large or as small pieces as you want to. Whoops. Parchment paper helps. It doesn't stick to the paper.
I would
See what you
recommend...
end up with? You have these, look at this. These nice pieces, wait a minute, Lucas, of the rainbows and the marshmallows and the green M&Ms.
It looks like a pizza.
Like a pizza? Alrighty. And there you have it. A little
Here's
piece
the
here.
crust. Little sparkle thing.
Yeah.
It's the
Okay.
cheese.
Alright, so let me just hold this up
And the green
so you can
M&Ms.
see it, and I'll take a couple of stills.
The green M&Ms are the pepperonis.
Lucas is transforming this leprechaun bark into a
Pizza.
leprechaun pizza. But anyway, this is how easy it is to make.
That would be fun to do.
If you have a St. Patrick's Day party or a get-together at your home, just make this. You saw how easy it was to do, and just put out a platter of it for dessert. So, if you enjoyed this video,
I'm ready to be on YouTube.
and if you enjoyed this leprechaun over here eating all the candy,
And extreme sour.
so subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber.
2 extreme sours.
And give me a thumbs up, make a comment if you'd like to, and share this recipe with anybody who, celebrates St. Patrick's Day. So anyway, for now, I'm going to thank everybody for tuning in. Thank you for supporting my channel, and Lucas and I would like to say toodles! See you soon, and happy St. Patrick's Day, right? Smile, say happy St. Patrick's Day.
It's sour.
Oh, he's eating the sour candy. Bye.
I hate too.